Hello children, welcome to class 10th mathematics. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.6 second main. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equation and hence find their solutions. So the first one, carefully observe the question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours, and second situation, upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So let us solve the problem. See, let us consider the speed of the boat in still water, that is x kilometer per hour. And then second one, let the speed of current means ನೀರಿನ ಅಲೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, the current be y kilometer per hour. So that is, we will consider the speed of the boat and the current. Let us see now. Speed downstream, you know that downstream, that is x plus y. Similarly, speed upstream, x minus y. So this is the solution. Let us see the what is next. Here the first case, Ritu can row 20 km downstream. 20 km downstream. What is our 2 hour in 2 hour? And in the second case, Ritu can row how many kilometers? It is 4 km upstream. 4 km upstream in 2 hours. So same as 2 hours. Here it is downstream and here it is upstream. Let us already know that distance d is equal to 20 km and time t is equal to 2 hours and speed is equal to x plus y. Similarly, distance is equal to 4 km. Here time is equal to 2 hours and speed is upstream is x minus y. We know that the formula speed is equal to what is the distance traveled by time taken. So it is equal to distance, speed is x plus y, and then distance is 20 km and time is 2 hours. So here it is 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are, therefore x plus y is equal to 10. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, speed is equal to d divided by t. What is speed is x minus y, distance it is 4 km and time is 2 hours. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are, that is x minus y is equal to 2. So this is equation number 2. Let us solve equation 1 and 2 by using elimination method, or you can solve by using substitution method. So I am going to solve elimination method. X plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. Y is already balanced and also sign will be different. So sign is different. So plus y get cancelled. So x plus x is 2x. 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 ones are 2. 2 6 are 12. Therefore x is equal to 6. Then substitute the value of x in equation what is 2. Equation 2 is value of x is 6 minus y is equal to 2. Then 6 plus 2 becomes minus, right side is minus 2, minus y goes to right side is plus y. 6 minus 2 is 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to 4. Here speed of the boat, What is x is speed of the boat. What is speed of the boat in still water is 6 kilometer per hour. And second one is speed of the current. What is y? What is 4 kilometer per hour? So this is the solution of the question. Let us see the next question. Second question. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also the taken by 1 man alone. So let us see the solution. Question number 2. Let us see. Any person let us consider complete work, any work in 2 days means a person complete work in 2 days. See, work complete in 1 day is equal to, that is 1 by 2. So if 2 days that is finished full work and 1 day is off work, so that is 1 by 2. Similarly, a person complete work in 3 days, that is, carefully observe, work complete in 1 day, 2 days that is 1 by 2, and 3 days that is 1 day 1 by 3. Similarly, a person complete work in x days, that is 1 day. I will calculate work complete in 1 day, that is 1 by 2, 2 days, 1 by 3, 3 days. See, x days, it is 1 by x. So this is the concept. See, let the time taken by 1 woman to finish the work, that is x day, because 1 woman, so they given what is a woman, 2 women, so 1 woman's, that is x day. See, let us, next one is work finished by 1 woman in 1 day is equal to 1 by x. Similarly, let time taken by 1 man, see here 1 woman and here is 1 man, finish the work is equal to y days. So similarly, work finished by 1 man in 1 days is equal to 1 divided by y. So very carefully observe the given data. So according to the given data, that is 2 women and 5 men. So 2 women and 5 men complete the work in 4 days. So, and second one, let us therefore work finished by 2 women and 5 men in how many days? in 1 day is equal to 1 divided by 4, because here 4 days, it is 1 by 4. Let us see. 2 into work finished, 2 work finished by one woman in 1 day, plus, and then what is 1 by 2, and what is 3 4, what is 5 men, that is 5 into work finished by one man in 1 day, that is equal to 1 by 4. So that is 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y is equal to 1 by 4. That is 2 into 1 is 2 by x plus 5 into 1 is 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. This is equation number 1. Let us see this is equation number carefully. 2 into work finished by one woman and 5 into work finished by one man is equal to how many days? 1 by 4 days. This is the concept. Let us see the next situation. As it is in the second situation, that is how many days? 3 women, and what is 3 women and 5 men can finish the work in 3 days. As it is in the previous concept, it is 3 divided by x plus and 5 divided by y is equal to 1 divided by 3. Sorry, not 5, that is 6 men. So this is equation number 2. By solving equation 1 and 2, that is take 1 divided by x is equal to u, or you can take p, and 1 divided by y is equal to v, p, or you can take q. So that is equation 1 is 2 by x, that is 2p, plus 5 by y is 5q is equal to 1 divided by 4. And then second equation, 3 by x is 3p and 5 by y is 6 by y is 6q is equal to 1 by 3. Here the denominator 4 is multiplied with the left side, so that is 4 into 2 is 8p and 4 into 5 is 20q, and here the 1 is remaining. And similarly 3 into 3 is 9p, 3 into 6 is 18q, and here this 1 is numerator. So let us see, by balancing the coefficient of p into 9 into 8, let us see, it is 9 into 8, 9 8s are 72p plus 9 into 2, that is 180q is equal to 9 into 1 is 9, and 8 into 9 is 72p plus 18 into 8, that is 144q is equal to 8 ones are 8. So here the coefficient of p is balanced but the same sign, so you have to change the sign. So here sign, so plus minus and get cancelled. Here it is minus 144 and it is plus 180, that is 36. Big number is plus 36. Q is equal to 9 minus 8 is equal to 1, that is 9 minus 8 is 1, and Q is equal to 1 divided by 36. We have to find out the value of y, so that is, already we know that 1 by y is equal to q, so then 1 by y is equal to q is 1 by 36. Numerators are same, equal, therefore y is equal to 36. Let us see next. Here it is substitute the value of q in equation 1. What is the equation 1 is 8p plus 20q. 8p plus 20q is equal to 1. Sorry, or you can add equation number second, that is 9p plus 18q is equal to 1. So 9p is plus and 18 into value of q is 1 by 36 is equal to 1. So 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36. Therefore 9p plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 is equal to plus 1. 9p is equal to 1 and plus 1 go to 1 by 2 goes to right is minus 1 by 2. So 9p is equal to 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2. So that is C, and p is equal to, this 9 is multiplied with 2 is 1 divided by 18. So p is 18. Similarly the value of p, so value of x is 1 divided by x is equal to p, and 1 divided by x is equal to 1 divided by 18. Numerators are equal, therefore x is equal to 18. The value of x is 18. See, value of a single woman or single man can finish the work in 18 days and 36 days consecutively. Let's see the next question. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home party by train and party by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and bus separately. Let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Then let the speed of what is next to us bus be y kilometer per hour. So after this, she partly travel by bus, train and bus. So therefore they given that what is Ruhi travels 300 km to her home, that is party by bus, first that is train, and party by bus. So total hours she takes travel journey, she takes 4 hours if she travel 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. Let us see, let us taking the part, one is bus and the other one is train. So this is the part of train and this one is bus. What is the distance? 60 km by train, and here it is distance. Here what is 22 second situation, 240 km. Yes, that is 240, that is 300 minus that is a train kilometer 60, that is 240 km. And then speed, we have to find it the speed also, that is taking x, and here it is speed is equal to y, and time also, time is equal to question mark, and this time is equal to question mark. So already we know that time t is equal to distance divided by time, so the speed, that is time is equal to distance 60 divided by speed, and here time t is equal to distance 240 divided by speed, it is y. So total time taken, that is 4 hour, that is 1 by train is 60 divided by x, and by bus is 240 divided by y. So total journey is equal taking 4 hour. This is equation number 1. Also let us see a second situation, as it is train and here it is bus. What is the distance is 100 kilometer, and here the distance is 200 kilometer, and it is also speed. We have to find out the speed. S is equal to x. Here s is equal to y. Time also, time is equal to question mark. Here also time is equal to question mark. We know that what is time is equal to speed divided by distance divided by speed. Distance, that is 100 divided by x, and here also small t is equal to what is 200 divided by y. So total hour time taken, total time taken. So let us see total time taken in 4 hour 10 minute, that is 100 divided by x plus 200 divided by y is equal to 4 hour into 10 minutes, that is 60 upon 10. This is the 4 hour 10 minute. Let us see 100 divided by x plus 200 divided by y is equal to 0, 0 cancel, and it is 4 plus, that is not into, plus 6 into 4, this is the mixed fraction, that is 6 into 4 is 24 plus 1 divided by, and 6 is LCM, and second 100 divided by x plus 200 divided by y is equal to 25 divided by 6. This is equation number 2. Let us solve equation number 1 and 2 by using elimination method. That is 1 is 60 divided by x. Let us take 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to p, and 1 by y is equal to q. So 1 by x is 60 by x is 60p plus 1 by y 240 q is equal to 4, and then second equation 100 by x is 100p plus 200 q is equal to 25 divided by 6. Let us balance in the equation the coefficient of p, that is into 100, and it is into 60. So 100 into 6 is 600. 1 into 66,000 p, because 20 and here 10, that is 6,000, plus 240 into 1, 24 into 1 is 24, 10, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here it is 24,000, and 100 into 1, 4 is 400, and here it is 60 into 1 is 6 into 1 is 6, and 1, 2, 3, 3, 0, that is p, plus 60 into 2 is 12, and minus 0, 3, 0 is equal to 6 on the 6, 6 tens 60, and 25 into 1 is 25, and single 0. Let us, here it is the coefficient of p is balanced but same sign, so we have to change the sign. So this one is cancelled, and here it is 24,000 and minus 12,000, that is 12,000 q. So 12,000 q is equal to 400 minus 250, that is 150. Big number sign is plus, that is then q is equal to 150 divided by 1 2 0, single 0 single 0 it cancel, and 15 is divided by 1 divided by 1200. 15 ones are 15 and 1580. Therefore, Q is equal to 1 divided by 80. So the value of Q is 1 divided by 80. Let us say we have to find out the value of X. Therefore, 1 divided by X is equal to Q. 1 divided by X is equal to value of Q is 1 divided by 80. Here the numerator is same. Therefore, X is equal to 80. And then next one is substitute the value of Q in equation 1. What is equation 1 is 60p plus 240q is equal to 4. 60p plus 240, what is the value of Q is 1 by 80. 1 divided by 80 is equal to 4. Then 60p plus 0 0 cancel, 8 1 is 8, 8 3 is 24, that is 3 into 1 is 3, and this is equal to 4, and 60p is equal to 4 minus 3, and p is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1, and into 60 is divided by 60. So the value of p is 1 by 60. We have to find out the value of y. What is 1 by x is, okay, 1 divided by y is equal to, it is, that is q. This is not p, this is q. So what is, yes, this is not a q, this is p. 1 by x is p. So this is p 1 by 1 by y. So this is the value of y. So 1 by y is equal to 1 by 60. This is 1 by x. This is y and this is 1 by x. So numerators are same. Therefore, x is equal to 60. X is 60 and y is 80. So this is q. If it is what is p, this one is q. So this is 1 by x. You can make the correction, small correction. Speed of the train, that is x kilometer per hour, and speed of the bus, what is 80 kilometer per hour.